Hello? Hello. Is it too late to say Happy New Year? Probably, but I haven't seen you in a while, so Happy New Year. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a great holiday season. I am back today with another natural nail video. My natural nails have been growing like crazy since I last cut them, so I thought that I would use the growth to my advantage and put together a natural nail video for you before I cut them again. I've had this ridge in my thumb since childhood, and I either fill it with structure gel, which I've shown you in a previous video, or I file it down and smooth it out, which I'll be doing later today. But before we get into that, I'm cleaning up my cuticle area. I'm applying some of my Blue Cross cuticle remover, letting it sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm pushing back my cuticles and scraping off any dead skin around my nails with a wooden stick. The Blue Cross does such a great job of melting away the dead skin around my nails. Scraping the dead skin off is almost effortless. Next, I'm wiping my nails clean with a little bit of alcohol on a lint-free wipe, and then I'm brushing off any excess dead skin before going in with my cuticle nippers and removing any hangy dry bits left behind. I get comments all the time asking what I rest my hand on when I paint my nails. This is just a mini Crumb Vacuum that I use to clean up dead skin and nail dust off my desk. Cuticle cleanup is complete, nails are looking great. Now I'm going to gently even out this thumbnail of mine with a 180 grit file. Next, I'm wiping off any excess oil off my nails with my CND nail surface cleanser, and then I move on to prepping my nails with my Gelish dehydrator, followed by my acid-free primer. I'm now applying a thin layer of the Gelish Foundation and flash curing it using my Gelish Touch LED light with my nail rod under my nail for support. If you're new to my channel, my natural nails tend to curl inwards on the sides as they grow out, especially when I apply gel products to them, so the nail rods help to prevent that by locking the shape in place during the flash cure. When I'm done applying the foundation to all my nails, I give them a full 45-second cure in my mini LED lamp. I'm wiping the sticky layer off my nails with a little bit of alcohol and moving on to filing and shaping. I'm going for a rounded square shape today using a 180 grit file. I like to save the filing for after I've applied and cured my foundation because the foundation gives the nails a bit of strength, which makes filing a lot more precise and easy without the risk of over filing, which I used to do all the time when I would file my naked nails. I want to go for a milky white nail today, and to do that I'll be using the In.Hype Milky top, which is a topper meant to make whatever shade you apply underneath it a bit more milky, as the name states, but I'll be using it as a base today because it is the perfect milky shade when layered. I like milky nails where you can still kind of see the tip peeking out underneath, and I applied 2 layers of this and cured each coat in my LED lamp for 45 seconds. To create a reflective glitter border, I'll be using my Kiara Sky Diamond Effects in the shade Moondust, which is a little bit on the thicker side. So to thin it out, I'll be mixing it with a less expensive alternative I found on Amazon by this brand in the shade Silver, I believe. As you can see, the Kiara Sky one is more of a cool tone gray shade and has more of a holographic look compared to the Amazon one, but both are gorgeous, especially with the flash, which is the whole appeal of these reflective glitter gel polishes. To apply my border, I'm just using a medium-sized nail art brush, and I'm mixing the 2 gel polishes on my resin palette until I get the desired consistency. The rest is pretty straightforward. I'm going around the nail and precisely outlining it. Every once in a while, I'll clean up my lines so that they're nice and crisp with a cleanup brush and a little bit of alcohol. And when I'm happy with the initial outline, I flash cure the nail and then I go over my outline once more so that it really pops. This design is a super easy way to zhuzh up your manicure. If you're into simple, elegant looks like this, also check out this other reflective glitter outline French manicure that I did. It's the same kind of vibe. Anyway, I find this part of the video super satisfying to watch, so I'm gonna zip it for a bit and let you enjoy. Once I've completed my outline, I'm giving my nails a full 45-second cure in my LED lamp, and then I'm encapsulating my design with my top coat. I will be using the In.Hype Rubber top today, as it's ideal for encapsulating glitter due to its thicker viscosity. I'm also curing the rubber top in my LED lamp for 45 seconds. Because the rubber top is on the thicker side, after I cure my nails, I like to sharpen up the sides of my nails once more with my 180 grit file before finishing off with my cuticle oil. This manicure looks cute under normal filming lights, but the real magic happens when the lighting is more dim under flash or when the nails are out of focus under flash. I did this by design because it looks like I have diamonds on my nails. I just love the way that this looks when I'm in the bath or the shower. It's something you'll have to try for yourself to experience just how pretty it is in person, because the camera just does not do it justice. And you can use whatever shade of reflective glitter you prefer. I just really like the silver one. Anyway, that pretty much completes this video. As always, everything that I used will be listed in the description box below. I really hope that you enjoyed this. If you recreate it, please tag me on Instagram so I can see it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and staying subscribed. And I'll see you in my next one. Okay, love you, bye.